Hello, it's a good day. So, what do we have for today's episode? Una, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Okay, so for today's episode, tuturuan po namin kayo ng una ng some of frequently used na mga Visayan terms. Since Bisaya man jud ko, taga Davao man jud ko. So, we'll be coming up with giving out some of the Visayan words for frequently used terminologies dito sa Davao. And I don't know if it's even applicable sa Cebu or other place. Alright, so let's begin, shall we? Okay. The first word is let's eat. Itadakimasu. So in Visayan po, let's eat or kain tayo is mga unta. Mga unta. Oh, I guess she's excited to eat. Alright, so next word. Saan ang punta mo? Where are you going? Okay, so in Visayan po, where are you going is asa ka moadto. Asa ka moadto. Or it could also be asa ka padulong. Asa ka padulong. Please disregard the background. I think my neighbor is just trying to discipline her son. Anyway, next word. Ano pa ba? Are you single in Bisayan or Bisaya is wala kayo yab? Wala. So those are the words that we are going to teach you today. So stay tuned in for more translation from English, Tagalog to Visayan. Or you can also comment below kung ano pa yung mga words or what other words do you want to have translated instead of just relying on Google Translate or Dictionary. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for giving us a little bit of your time, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe below and like my videos. Una! She's not responsive now. Bye.